Hello students and friends. In this video, we'll be discussing about different types of education loans which you can avail for your higher studies. For knowing these education details, keep watching without skipping the video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. So there is a difference between scholarship and education loan. In case of scholarship, most of the scholarship will be covered for 1 year alone. That is during first year, most of the scholarships will be covered for first year alone. For the remaining years, remaining subsequent years, what we can do for financial source means then we can go for availing education loans. So the different types of education loans are: the first one is your general bank loans for any student they can avail, and the second one is your PM Vidyalaxmi scheme for top 952 colleges. We'll brief about these two schemes in today's lecture. So in case of general bank loans for any student who are eligible means those students who are doing diploma, UG or PG in regular mode, not in part-time or distance mode, in India or abroad. They are eligible for applying for this kind of loans. Eligibility is as recognized, any recognized course they can study. No income limit. There is no income limit for their parents, and then they can go for any UG, PG or diploma courses is allowed for these eligible conditions. And what is the loan amount they can sanction is 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs if you are inside India, depending upon the fee structure of your course, and then 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs if you are availing loan for abroad studies. So next one is what is collateral rule is. What do you mean by collateral? Means you have to go for some you have to show some properties for availing these loans. So in case of collateral rules, up to 4 lakh there is no collateral, so you can avail loan up to 4 lakhs without any collateral. From 4 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs you have to go for third party guarantor, and above 7.5 lakhs collateral is mandatory. That is, you have to show some assets for availing loans greater than 7.5 lakhs. So what is covered here? Tuition fees, hostel fees, books, laptop, travel expenses if any, if you are going for abroad. And then what is the interest rate? Interest rate will be between 11.15% to 12.4%. It depends on the bank on which you are availing. So repayment is from 5 to 7 years if the loan amount is less than 7.5 lakhs, and if the loan amount is greater than 7.5 lakhs means you have up to 15 years they are giving time period for repayment. So what are the required documents? Aadhaar, PAN, mark sheets, income, caste certificates, fee structure and photos. These are the required documents. Is there any subsidiary benefits? Is there? Means there is no subsidiary benefits for this type of bank loans. And then how to apply means you can apply this one in www.vidyalaxmi.co.in. In this portal you can fill out one CELAF form, that is Common Education Loan Application Form. You can fill one form and you can apply to any 3 banks depending upon your interest, and as per the bank's direction, which bank is going to sanction for you, you can take the loan from that particular bank. So this is the details for this type. That is the first one, that is general bank loans for any student, and second one is your PM Vidyalaxmi scheme for top 952 colleges. So here the students admitted on merit basis in topmost premium institutions, that is IITs, NITs, IIMs, AIMS, national law universities, NIRF top 100 institutions, and government approved higher education institutions. So these things, those students who are pursuing their studies in these institutions, they are only eligible for applying for this scheme. So merit based admissions only, no management quota. Here management quota is allowed, whereas here no management quota is allowed. For Indian campuses alone, income proof is required for subsidy. So here there is no income proof, there is no limit for income. Here income proof is required for subsidy. One time use per student. For UG they can avail, or for PG they can avail, or for integrated, that is for combined UG and PG studies are there. So for those studies they can avail as one time. So up to 15 lakhs, what is the maximum limit they can avail means up to 15 lakhs inside India, depending upon the course and fee structure, they can avail 15 lakhs, up to 15 lakhs in India. And outside India, for special cases, they will be sanctioning these things under this scheme, PM Vidyalaxmi scheme. So it's about 30 lakhs you can avail. And in case of collateral, here up to 7.5 lakhs, there is no collateral. That is 75% of government guarantee will be there. And then above, if you are going for the above 7.5 lakhs means collateral is mandatory as per bank norms. Next one, what are the fees it covers means tuition fees, books, laptop, hostel, living expenses and travel if abroad. And then what about the interest rate means here the interest rate is fixed, whereas in case of PM Vidyalaxmi scheme, it's depending upon EBLR, that is nothing but your external benchmark lending rate. That interest rate is fixed by repo bank plus 0.5%. That is external benchmark lending rate. This interest will be fixed by repo bank, not by the issuing bank. That is where you are availing the loan, where you are applying the loan. That branch is not going to fix the rate. This rate, interest rate, is fixed by repo bank, and this one will be a floating. It will be if it is decreasing, means then your education interest rate will be also decreased. That rate plus 0.5%, and these loans will be, these interest rates will be lower than the other loans, and repayment period is up to 15 years here, whereas here it is a lower amount, it is up to 5 to 7 years, whereas here it is up to 15 years they are giving for repayment after the course, plus 1 year extra also they are avail, you can avail. So next documents needed are Aadhaar, PAN, income proof for subsidy, admission letter, fee structure, mark sheet, and photos. Coming for subsidy benefits, we are having full interest waiver if income is less than 4.5 lakhs per annum. That is, you will not be going, interest will not be reimbursed on your loan amount if your family income is less than 4.5 lakhs per annum. That is the most important thing. So if you want the interest to be waived for your education loan, means then you have to produce this income certificate yearly once to the bank from which you are availing this loan. Next one is, if your income is, family income is between 4.5 lakhs per annum to 8 lakhs per annum, then 3% subsidy will be given for you on the interest rate. For example, if the interest rate is 11%, means then your family income is 4.5 LPA to 8 LPA, means then your interest rate will be reduced to 3% will be, subsidy will be given, and your interest rate will be 8% of interest. That's the thing. And this subsidy will be valid during the course plus 1 year moratorium. So after, if your course is 4 years course, means then up to 4 years course, the subsidy will be there plus 1 year, that is moratorium period will be there. So 5th year there won't be any interest if your income is, family income is less than 4.5 LPA, and these subsidies will remain up to 1 year extended period of after the completion of this course. That's the thing. And where you can apply, means you can apply this in the portal www.pmvidyalaxmi.co.in. In this portal you can avail this education loan. That's the thing. So we are the major difference between these two loans is, here there is no restriction of institutions where you are studying and what type of courses you are studying, whereas here you are having restrictions in the institute which you are studying. That is topmost 952 colleges. Those who are pursuing their studies in these colleges, 952 colleges, they are only eligible. And the second one is, there is no income limit is there. If you want subsidy, here income proof is necessary. Next one, India and abroad you can avail, whereas here for India alone they can give, only for special cases abroad you can go for. Next one, here up to 4 lakhs there is no collateral. Here up to 7.5 lakhs there is no collateral is needed here in case of PM Vidyalaxmi scheme. And the bank interest rate will be depending upon the bank here, and here it is depending upon EBLR interest rate, that is external benchmark lending rate, which is fixed by repo bank, and it will be varying from time to time plus 0.5%. That's the interest rate. And here the repayment is up, if the lower amount, means it is 5 to 7 years, whatever may be the amount, it will be 15 years here. And major difference is, there is no subsidy here, whereas here if your family income is less than 4.5 LPA, then there is no interest will be levied on your education loan amount that is sanctioned for you, and 3% of interest rate will be given as subsidy if your income is between 4.5 LPA to 8 lakhs per annum. So that's a major difference. So those families whose son or what is studying in these top 952 institutes, they can avail for these loans, and you can get benefited from this interest. So without interest, if you are getting any amount, means then it is a gift for you. So then these are the portals which you can apply for these schemes. Now coming for main thing, what are the 952 colleges here? That's the thing. So in case of central government institutions, there are total 429 institutions, And state government, there are total 230 institutions. That is, throughout all the states, they are having state controlled institutions. 230 institutions are there, and private controlled institutions, 293 institutes are there. So all put together will comes 952. There is a 952 colleges. And if you want the list of colleges which is in your state, in comment section, you just type your state and your mail ID. I will send you your state, what are the institutes that is coming under PM Vidyalaxmi scheme. I will send you as direct message for you. I repeat once again, if you want the PM Vidyalaxmi Institute's details in your state, then in comment section, type your state name followed by your mail ID. I will directly mail you the institute details which is coming under central, state and provide in your state as mail. If you are having any doubts regarding this, just drop some words in comment section. I'll be clearing your doubts. So our channel promotes JEE Mains 2026, JOSA 2026, CSAP 2026 admissions in topmost premium institutions. And I'll be also sharing videos, what are the career aspects after +2 that we can follow. Share this video to the needy one. Our channel also promotes JEE Mains 2026, JOSA 2026 and CSAP 2026 admissions in topmost premium institutions. Also in the forthcoming videos, opening and closing ranks for different courses in different premium institutions based upon your JEE Mains 2026 scorecard will be published. For watching these videos without missing, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.